This is Teacher Janelle, and I invite you to come learn with me. This is a reading and writing practice designed for parents who wished to help their child begin to read and write. Welcome to Month 1, Week 1, Day 2. Let's get started with sounds and simple words. For Day 2, we do sound and read short E words. Now, let's produce the short E sound. Say eh, eh. Say it with me. Say eh, eh. Now, let's recall the sounds of these other letters. N, n, n. T, t, t. P, p, p. D, d, d. Dear kids, listen as I read the word and read out loud when I pause. Let's begin. Pen, pen. 10, 10. Den, den. Men, men. Net, net. Let, let. Met, met. Step, step. Dent, dent. Bent, bent. Scent, scent. Dear kids, read after me. Let's begin. Pen, pen. Net, net. Step, step. 10, 10. Pet, pet. Dent, dent. Den, den. Let, let. Bent, bent. Men, men. Met, met. Scent, scent. Dear parent, for our next task, your child would be writing the words I am going to dictate. So let them prepare a piece of paper and pencil for writing. You can pause the video if they have difficulty writing the words. Be patient. Let's begin. The first word, 10. 10. Write down the word 10 on your paper. 10. Next word, net. Net. And the last word, bent. Bent. Dear kids, if you spelled all words correctly, then you did a great job. But if you got one mistake or two, don't worry. You could always go back and try again. Now, let's do reading check. Dear parents, let's do a final check. Parents, mark one box for each successful try. First, second, third, or mastered. If your child can read all the words easily, that means they're ready for the next lesson. Now, dear parent, let your child read the indicated word. Great work today, kids! Keep practicing these short E words. See you tomorrow for day 3. We'll have new words to read and write together. This is Teacher Janelle, and ta-ta for now!